When I first walked into Dr. Jerman's office, it was very inviting. Was immediately greeted by two girls at the front desk who made me feel very comfortable.
Dr. Jerman's office is extremely friendly. They are prepared and it's timely and seamless.
The office here is very open and welcoming. Is a nice entrance and start to your journey.
You are going to be cared for by a very experienced team. They're here to make your experience as pleasant as possible.
Dr. Jerman is great. He's awesome at what he does. He is very professional and has a great team behind him.
Out of all the oral surgeons I've been to, Dr. Jerman has definitely been the best. He's made me feel more comfortable and more at home than any other doctor I've ever been to.
He will explain even the smallest questions you have. You don't leave his office without knowing and feeling like you've had full, complete coverage of your concerns.
His ability to make patients relax and feel comfortable is fantastic. I think that's pretty phenomenal.
The staff here are amazing.
They are personable. They are also professional. You feel like they are your family.
When someone walks out of here with a brand new smile, it makes us feel great because we were able to boost someone else's confidence.
I had a great experience with Dr. Jerman and his team. He was just a phenomenal doctor and I'm so happy that I picked him.
He gave me my life back, my confidence back. Dr. Jerman changed my life for the better, and there's no one I'd rather go to.
I had a great experience and I highly recommend Greater Montana Oral Surgery.